Hello, in this video I will tell you how to apply for NMMS scholarship on National Scholarship Portal. What documents are required for this? The required documents are OTR and password, caste certificate and mark sheet or roll number of NMMS selection exam. To apply for NMS scholarship, you can apply by visiting OTR application or National Scholarship Portal website. Click on Student menu on the home page of NSP website. After clicking on the Student menu, a new page will open. Click on Apply for Scholarship in it. Then a new page will open. To log in, you have to enter your OTR number, password and CAPTCHA. Once you log in, you have to change your password and then log in again as soon as you log in. A new page will open. Click on Apply for Press in it. After this, a new page will open. In this, you have to select the state. Then, in the scholarship category, there are two options, pre-matric and post-matric. In that, you have to select pre-matric. Then the scholarship type will come. In that there will be two options, scholarship and incentive. In that you have to select scholarship. Then a new page will open and you have to click on proceed. After this, a new page will open in which there are 6 steps to fill the application. All of them have to be completed one by one. The first step is for general information. You have to complete it. The second step is of academic details. In this, by clicking on the DICE code, enter the school's DICE code and click on Get Institute. Then the name of your school will appear. Then the student has to fill the academic detail of class 9. In this, the detail of class 8 have to be filled in the previous class details below. And if there is a grade system in 8, then also it has to be filled by converting it into percentage. In this, in place of university or board, you can select your state secondary education board. After that, the detail of NMS selection test have to be filled. In this, the roll number and year of examination of NMS selection test have to be filled. A new page of the third phase will open, in which you have to tick on national means cum merit scholarship and click next. Then you don't have to fill the detail in two steps. Then you have to upload your document. In place of the documents, you have to upload caste certificate and income certificate. The last step is of undertaking, in which you have to tick on I agree and make final submission. In this way, your application will be filled and the application ID will appear on your mobile phone. Thank you.